Welcome back guys, this is Xenia. Today I'm going to show you how to write capital F in engrosser script using the word fabulous. And at the end of the video, I'll show you some variations on writing this letter. After we finish this word, you will have learned to write 6 capital letters, 18 lowercases, and 6 beautiful words. You guys should get cracking to create some calligraphy artwork to impress your friends and family by writing some short sentences like idioms and proverbs for them. Just so you know, I've started 2 playlists on writing proverbs in modern calligraphy and in brush lettering, and I have included links at the end of the video that you may want to pop in to get inspired. Wow, now let's start with today's alphabet. Capital F begins with the S-curve entrance stroke and follow with a counterclockwise oval with an extended tail to the right like this. And start the crosshatch at the header line to the middle of the second space. And draw a little loop like this. In this letter, you want to look at the shades should be parallel to each other on the slant, including the little crosshatch. Lowercase b. Start with the entrance stroke, and then an ascending loop with a U-shaped bottom, and finish with an eyelid stroke, like so. In this letter, you want to look at when you line up the loop and the bottom of the letter, the line should be parallel to the stem. And if you extend the eyelid stroke like in here, it should form an oval. Since we have already gone through the rest of the letters in this word in our previous episodes, I'll quickly write them individually and then I'll show you how to join them together. Now, let's join the letters together. I deliberately didn't fill up the nib with the ink, so you can see more clearly how each stroke is being written. Let's do it once again with the nib filled up, and then I'll show you the variation on writing capital F, and at the end, I'll demonstrate to write fabulous in my style. In the next video, I'll show you how to write capital G in engrosser script with the word growth. In this word, we'll also learn 2 little lowercases, which are W and H. Don't forget to check out my new playlists proverbs in modern calligraphy, and in brush lettering. The links will be showing on the screen at the end. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell. There will be more content flooding in and giveaways as well, so stay tuned! Thanks so much for watching, love you all and see you next time!